Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another solid day here, and not necessarily solid in the sense of the price continue to explode upwards, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But for those of you that have, I'm sure you've seen stocks that make huge moves like it did, and then all of a sudden, the next day, the price just goes right back to where it was. And that didn't happen here. The price, again, didn't explode upwards. Sure, it was down, but it just maintained itself. It consolidated out, which now brings about what I would consider, an important level of support right there at $8. Because as long as $8 still holds up, think about that. And I'm not saying this will occur, but let's just say that the price actually does come down to 8 and then just goes right sideways at 8. Even in that situation, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows. You'd have a base right there. The previous base was right there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the bigger picture, you still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as that $8 mark. And again, as of now, the price isn't even at $8. But even if it did pull back, like I said, at that level, that still gives the price plenty of overall, stair stepping in the upwards direction. And that's what you want from the bullish side of things. In terms of areas of resistance, if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, $8.85 is going to be that first key level to watch. And then I'm just going to leave it at that, because if the price gets up there and closes above it, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart at that point in time. But overall, those are going to be the main dynamics moving forward. So yeah, today, not necessarily as exciting. Sure, it was a red day. However, the price did build a higher base. The price is consolidating out nicely here. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.